Welcome to the Anna Darpan demo for the advanced rice procurement process for the 2024-2025 crop year. In this demonstration, we will walk through the process for Rahul Mila M_CT001, whose primary depot is Bilaspur. This demo covers stack assignment, e-tech generation, consignment creation, token handling, quality recording, WCM generation, and reporting activities for the advanced rice procurement flow. Master setup. For the crop year 2024-2025, the CMRLCM and LB processes have already been completed. The system includes 4 depots and 7 millers. For this demonstration, Rahul Mila M_CT001 has Bilaspur depot set as the primary depot. Stack assignment by Manager Depot. Login as Manager Depot for Bilaspur. Navigate to Manage Stack and select Add Stack. Choose the shed, enter stack dimensions, stack name, and compartment. Enter the capacity as 174 empty, max bags as 3480, along with lead and bags per layer. Click Submit. A success message appears confirming that the stack has been added successfully. Next, navigate to Manage Stack and open Marking Stacks for CMR. Select the commodity and variety filters as FRK raw rice in grade A. Click the Add Stack button, select the newly created stack, and assign it to the priority stack list. Click Save Changes. When prompted with a confirmation message, click Save Changes again to confirm. A message appears confirming that stack priorities have been updated successfully for the specified commodity and variety. E-tech generation by Rahul Mila M_CT001. Navigate to Mila Procurement and select E-tech generation. Choose the E-tech generation option as Advanced Rice. Click Check Stack Availability to view available stacks. The system displays the stack created for FRK raw rice, grade A. Select the stack, then enter involved agency, commodity, variety, crop year, season type, and quality specification. Enter rice to deliver as 1740 QTLs and number of bags as 3480. Click the Generate E-tech button and confirm submission. A success message appears confirming that the E-tech has been generated successfully with an E-tech number for the selected specification. Then, generate consignment or lot. We need to generate 6 lots with 290 quintals and 580 bags. Select E-tech option as Advanced Rice, choose the E-tech number and bag type, and enter declared weight as 290 and number of bags as 580. Enter the truck number and review all details in the confirmation pop-up. Click Submit to confirm. A message appears confirming that the lot has been successfully created with the E-tech number, lot number, and truck chit number. For demonstration purposes, the superset user having all depot level permissions is being used. When performing the actual process, please ensure that you log in with your corresponding user credentials as per your assigned role in depot. After login, navigate to CMR Procurement. Token Creation. Select Create Token, choose the reference number, schedule date, and time, and enter remarks if required. Click Submit, review the details in the pop-up, and then click Confirm. A success message appears confirming that the token has been successfully generated with the token number. In Weight Entry. Select In Weight, choose the required token, select the stack, enter the gross in weight, and click Submit. A success message appears confirming that the gross weight has been recorded successfully. Dumping. Open Dumping, select the required token, and choose the dumping area. Click Submit. A success message appears confirming that the dumping has been completed successfully. Outweight Entry. Select Outweight, choose the token number, record the tare weight of the truck, and click Submit. A confirmation message appears confirming that the tare weight has been recorded successfully. Quality Recording. Select Record Quality, choose the token, select the Quality Inspector, and enter Moisture and Analysis result. Select the gunny condition and check the box labeled, "Moisture has been recorded with the consent of the shed in charge." Click Submit to confirm. A success message appears confirming that the quality has been accepted successfully. Stacking. Open Stacking. Select the required token. Check the box labeled, "I confirm that moisture was recorded by QC in my presence," and click Submit. A success message appears confirming that stacking has been completed successfully. Exit Gate Pass. Select Exit Gate Pass, choose the token number, and click Submit. A success message appears confirming that the truck gate exit has been completed successfully. WCM Generator. Select Generate WCM, choose the token number, and click Submit. A pop-up appears asking for confirmation. Click OK. A success message appears confirming that the procurement details have been updated successfully. Repeat the create token and WCM generation steps for all 6 lots. Verification and reporting. Then, open Reports and go to Daily Reports. Select DSR, fill in the required fields, and click View Report. The DSR report displays the correct data for advanced rice procurement transactions. Navigate to Sheds and Stacks, select the shed and stack, and view stack details and stack activity to see updated commodity movement. After receiving at least one lot from the miller, paddy can be released from the depot to the miller. Import release order for paddy. Log in as Divisional Office Procurement Staff, navigate to CMR Procurement right pointing arrow import row for equivalent paddy, and select the depot, variety, date of release order, paddy quantity e.g., 2597, miller name, procurement agency, crop year, season type, commodity, variety, number of bags to deliver, and rice to deliver in quintals. Then, select the start month and end month, and click Submit. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Click Submit again to confirm. Approval of release order for paddy. Log in as Divisional Manager. Go to Sales right pointing arrow row list, click on Pending, and approve the created release order by clicking the Approve icon under the Action column. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Click Approve to confirm. Once the release order for paddy is approved, the sales flow will continue for issuing paddy to the miller. The process has been successfully completed for 1 lot. Please repeat the same steps for the remaining 5 lots, starting from lot generation through WCM. This concludes the demonstration of the advanced rice procurement process for Rahul Miller at Bilaspur Depot for the 2024-2025 crop year. Thank you.